Hello everyone, in today's math challenge, we will look at this Coke and Fanta question. There are two glasses, A and B. Glass A contains 100 ml of Coke and glass B contains 100 ml of Fanta. Firstly, I use an accurate tool to transfer 10 ml of Coke from glass A to B, and I promise to be careful without any spillage. After that, I stir the glass B to make it uniform. Then, in the second step, I transfer exactly 10 ml of mixture from glass B back to A. Now, if we compare the amount of Coke in glass B and the amount of Fanta in glass A, which is more? This question sounds a bit tricky. You can pause this video here and spend as much time as you need, and then we come back for the answer. Okay, let's have a look at the answer together. After the first step, it is pretty clear that there will be 90 ml of Coke in glass A, and there will be 100 ml of Fanta plus 10 ml of Coke in glass B. Of course, they are completely mixed with each other with 110 in total volume. And now we can just focus on the glass B and calculate the fractions of Fanta and Coke inside. It is pretty easy because the ratio of the amounts of the Fanta and Coke is equal to 100 to 10. So that means the fraction of Fanta is equal to 100 over 110, and the fraction of Coke is equal to 10 over 110. The reason we obtain both fractions is to calculate what are exactly in 10 ml mixture. Actually, we can use 10 ml to multiply each fraction to obtain the amount of Fanta and Coke. Okay, for example, the amount of Fanta is equal to 10 times 100 over 110 milliliter, and the amount of Coke is equal to 10 times 10 over 110 milliliter. And both amounts have been transferred from glass B to glass A in the second step. So from here, we can calculate the amount of Fanta in glass A at the end, because this is the only time that Fanta has been added to glass A. That means its amount is just equal to 10 times 100 over 110 milliliter. So it's equal to 1000 over 110, and we can simplify it to 100 over 11 milliliter. Okay, just bear this in mind. There is 100 over 11 milliliter of Fanta in glass A at the end. And then we can calculate the amount of Coke in glass B, because in the first step, we added 10 milliliter of Coke in glass B, and in the second step, we took out 10 times 10 over 110 milliliter Coke from B. So that means the amount of Coke remaining in glass B is equal to 10 minus 10 times 10 over 110. Okay, to calculate it, firstly we can convert 10 to 1100 over 110, because we want to have the same denominator as the other fraction, which is 100 over 110. And because they have the same denominator, we can just subtract the numerator. So it's just equal to 1000 over 110, and we can simplify it to 100 over 11 milliliter. So that means there is 100 over 11 milliliter of Coke in glass B at the end, and they are the same. Quite amazingly, the amount of Coke in glass B and the amount of Fanta in glass A are just the same after all these processes. It is hard to believe from the first glance, but the mathematical calculations have proved it, and hopefully you have agreed with me now. Okay, thank you very much.